Hey guys, so this is a cash drawer I have at work, and every time we go to close it, it just kind of walks back. And so I decided I wanted to 3D print something to maybe stop it. And the idea is to print something that will fit under that foot to keep it from walking back. Maybe something comes over the edge of this front shelf there. So I did some ghetto drawing on a piece of paper, just kind of traced out the approximate size of the foot. Found it to be about 25 millimeters, close enough to it at least. And of course, figure out how much from the distance from that foot to the front of the shelf and how far that shelf drops down in the front. So I got the rough measurements, went into Tinkercad, went to work designing something. Kind of what I had in my mind for a while now. The idea is that it will fit into the little pocket and hold the weight down on this piece so they'll kind of just stop it from sliding around. I was trying to get fancy with it, trying to make it a little smoother, and I decided just keep it simple, stupid, and just since I'm going to be the only one looking at it for the most part, nobody else will pay attention. Went ahead and got that downloaded, got it put on the printer. Took about 33 minutes on the Artillery Sidewinder 4. It's a very fast printer, but I'm still working on settings. I do not like the print quality that's coming out on it. The models that came out with the printer looked really, really good. And ever since I've been playing with the settings in Cura, I just cannot get it to print the nicest. As you'll see here, there is a ridge along kind of where the bottom part where it's going to be heading over the edge of that shelf. There's a weird ridge there, and I don't understand it. I've tried changing temperature and everything else. The part's strong enough. It'll do the job. I just was hoping it'd be a little bit prettier than that. It might be even a problem with a file from Tinkercad. Not for sure. But anyway, it printed out fast. It printed out decent enough. I just need to get rid of some of the strings that were on it because the heat settings were off. And that's pretty much what it's going to look like right there with the feet sitting in it. And so I took it to work, fit right into it first try, and there it is. It's been approximately 2 weeks now, still working just right. Thanks for watching. Take care. I will catch you in the next one.